Hi, this is Michaela, and today we are going to discuss Venus. Now, Venus is essentially the third brightest natural object that's in the sky. That takes after the sun and the moon, of course. Now, Venus's location is about 45 degrees away from the sun, as you can see here, and it is the second planet from the sun right after Mercury, and it's right in between Mercury and Earth itself. Um, and let me just take a look here. All right, now discussing the um, pretty much the structure of Venus. So Venus has a metallic core that's right in the middle here, of which a rocky mantle of unknown composition forms. Then you have the atmosphere that is pretty much made up of carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid. And then you have the crust that pretty much is a silicate rock that pretty much is covering Venus itself, and it's also made up of unknown compositions as well. Venus's atmosphere and surface. So, Venus's surface is essentially created and made up as volcanoes erupt, and the atmosphere. So, there was a story once upon a time that Venus essentially had an ocean. At this point, the ocean essentially evaporated once the sun just got essentially way too hot to be able to keep the ocean. At that point, the ocean evaporated, and then a greenhouse gas was released into Venus, which pretty much continued Venus heating and boiling. At that point, the hot oceans boiled away, releasing the carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, heating the planet even more and thickening the atmosphere hugely. And an interesting fact about Venus is that it is considered to be Earth's evil twin. They are similar as far as the size of each other. It's just that um, pretty much Venus has, or Earth has a thicker atmosphere than Venus does. And at this point, Venus cannot carry any human life, which is why it would be considered our evil twin and not a twin because of course, we're not able to sustain on Venus itself. So that is my presentation, and this has been a pleasure. Thank you.